This video is proudly brought to you by Web3bridge with Lex, our official sponsors for Cohort 11.
My team and I, we are talking about calls. What are low-level calls? Low-level calls are used to interact with other contracts or send ether without using high-level constructs or functions and methods. So we have two types of low-level calls. We have what we call delegate call, static call, and we have call. So static call are just used to make read-only operations only. They don't mutate the states.
.call function can be used to interact with other contracts. So it can be used to invoke functions on other contracts or send ether. When you use the .call function to interact with other contracts, you use it to invoke the functions of those contracts to interact with it.
So what are delegate calls? Delegate calls are a type of low-level calls. They are calls that are used to be able to interact with other smart contracts. So for instance, let's say we have two contracts, contract A and contract B. We deploy contract B, then we now deploy contract A. So let's say now contract A needs to be able to update its own state. So what contract A is going to do is to make a delegate call to contract B and get a result from that contract B and be able to update its own state.